Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to change point style command. Okay guys, so this is the dots. This is the all is looking at dots, but this is the points. So this, if you want this points, you want to change the style. So we have to use point style command. You have to type full name or either you have to type pt shortcut name, then enter. See here it will showing point symbols, point styles. Whatever symbol you like, you can select, then you have to click here. See, then it will show the point styles. Before it is showing like a dot. Now it is change some symbol. So you can change different symbol also. See, now I will change this symbol. Select this one. See, you can select this one also, other this one. So see, like this we can change point style. So if you want to change the size also, we can change here. See, here it is 5000. You can give the 6000. We'll see symbol, it will change or not. See, it will change size also. So you can change the point size symbols or and point size also. Okay guys, so like this we can change point size and point symbol like this. Okay guys, thank you so much.